Hi, my name is David, and in today's video we're going to try a new format, a little bit like an FAQ, and today I want to talk a little bit about ICC profiles, and in this video I'm actually going to show you how to install the Ghost ICC profile for the Sublime Toner cartridges on your Mac. And but before I do that, I would like to give you some general information what an ICC profile actually does. So imagine every device that you use, whether it is your phone camera, your mirror camera, if it's your monitor or your printer, has its own kind of color space. This color space kind of contains all the colors, all the shades of colors, all the halftones that the device can capture or show, right? So in general, a printer can't necessarily print all the colors that your screen can display, right? So let's say you're working with a graphic arts screen that has a huge color space, and you're working with a standard office laser printer. These two devices have a big different color space. So the laser printer will not be able to print all the colors exactly as your screen can show you all the colors. To overcome this issue, people use color management, and ICC profiles actually help to match the colors and the color spaces of two different devices so that you get a better matching from your screen view to the final product view. I don't want to take it into too much detail here, but for fine art printing and graphic arts printing, usually not only the screen printer combination are calibrated via profiles, but also the paper used and the inks used in that special system are calibrated. So for Ghost Sublime Toner, we're not taking it into that deep level, but what we have done to improve color accuracy on the designs that you transfer to polyester textiles or other polyester-based blanks using sublimation, we have created a color profile that can be used on the Ghost Sublime Toner with an HP Laserjet M452. So what you have to do is you will have to install the Ghost Textile ICC profile on your computer, and then you can use that profile, assign it to your printer, and when you want to print for sublimation transfer onto, let's say, polyester textiles or onto hard surfaces like mugs or whatever, you will use this profile instead of the standard printer profile, and this will give you better color accuracy and better halftones and better contrast than printing without it. You can still print without the profile, it works still fine, you still get good image quality, but with the profile it's much improved, especially when it comes to contrast in halftones and skin tones if you print like faces or photographic images. Alright, I have the Ghost Textile ICC profile here on my desktop, and I'm going to install it on my Mac now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new Finder window, and I'm going to the Macintosh HD, and I'm going to Library, and I'm going to Color Sync, and I'm going to Profiles. This is actually the folder where I want to move the profile in, so I'm going to grab the profile from the desktop, just drop it here, and Macintosh OS asks me to authenticate because I'm moving it into a system folder, so I have to insert my user credentials quickly, and then I can move the file. And as you can see, it's no longer on the desktop, but it's moved back here into the folder. Now, if you have any graphic software running, like Photoshop or InDesign or anything else, just close that software and restart it again, and then you can use the profile. And you can also use the profile in the printer driver. This is how easy it is to just install the ICC profile on the Mac. For Windows, it's pretty similar. Hopefully we will launch a video on this soon. Once you have the profile installed, you can start using it, and we will have another video which is coming up in the right corner here where you can actually see the profile in action and can see the difference between the print without the profile and with the profile. For today I say thank you for watching and see you next time.